Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm doing my lunch meal prep for the week and it is getting hot out, you guys. Summer is here, so I did not want to do something that I'm going to have to heat my kitchen up for. So I'm going to be doing a mason jar salad and everything's already basically cooked. I did some hard-boiled eggs in my air fryer and I have a whole video on my air fryer hard-boiled eggs, you guys, so check that out on my channel. I'll put a link to it in the description box so it's easier to find. I have my diced up cooked chicken. Every week we just barbecue up a whole pack of chicken. My husband uses it for his sandwiches. I use it for salads. We have it for dinner with the boys, and so big old batch of chicken we make. So I diced up some of the cooked chicken. And then this salad has bacon, which I also cooked in the air fryer. Love cooking bacon in the air fryer, so easy. And water chestnuts. I love water chestnuts. They give it like an awesome little light crunch. And I have my spring mix. You can use spring mix for this one, or spinach works really well also. This is a family favorite salad. So it has a homemade dressing. I will make that homemade dressing. It is ketchup, oil, and sugar, and some onion powder. So it's really delicious. Goes so perfect with all these ingredients. So my mom makes this salad a lot for some like family dinners, and I wanted to make it for lunch this week, so I'm adding in the chicken. She doesn't do chicken in it because it's usually a side salad, but it is really, really good. So I'm gonna make this up in my mason jars. You guys know I love mason jar salads. I have a whole playlist on my mason jar salads, so check that out if you need some inspiration to make some make-ahead salads for the week. I will also put a link to that in the description box of all my mason jar salads. I seriously make them like almost every week because I love them. They're easy and they stay fresh all week, which is awesome, you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and put a like on this video if you like it. Leave me a comment if you ever have any questions. So I'm going to get this mason jar salad all made up, and then lunch will be ready for the week. A nice, light, cold salad to have on this like super hot summer week. So I'm gonna get it all made up, you guys. So I have my mason jars. These are the best for salads. I have my already cooked chicken that I just diced up into cubes. You can use rotisserie chicken for this, or any kind of cooked chicken. I like to grill up a pack of chicken just about every week that I use for salads. My husband uses for sandwiches and all kinds of stuff. We eat a ton of chicken. So I have my chicken in. I'm going to use 1 piece of bacon for each salad. So I made this bacon in my air fryer. I love making bacon in the air fryer. It is so easy, super quick, and the cleanup is really easy also. So I have my bacon, and then I'm going to add in, I have hard-boiled egg, which I also made in my air fryer. The air fryer to me is just such a lifesaver, especially during the summer when it's hotter. I don't have to heat up the kitchen by boiling the eggs to make the hard-boiled eggs. So I'm just gonna slice these up into my mason jar, 1 egg per mason jar. And then I have some water chestnuts that I just kind of diced up a little bit. And then I will add in my mixed greens, and then I will make my dressing for this. And this salad is definitely one of my favorites. I'm using mixed greens for this. It's a 50-50 mixed greens and spinach, but you can also use just 100% spinach. Tastes really good with this combination of the salad also. And the dressing that I'm gonna make, it's just really good with this kind of lettuce. So I just shove it in basically all into the mason jar, and you can really just shove a whole bunch in there and really pack it in. I just love how it stays fresh all week in these glass jars. So I definitely love making these almost every week. I am going to make my dressing now, and it's delicious. So it's 1 cup of vegetable oil. It's not super healthy, you guys, but it is really, really good. So 1 cup of vegetable oil, and then I have sugar. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and a teaspoon of onion powder. And then I'll just mix this all up. I'll shake it in my mason jar, and then it'll be all ready. And it is very tasty. Like I said, not super healthy, but it is really good, and it just goes perfect with all of these toppings for this week's salad. All right, so my mason jar salads are all done, ready for the week. This salad is definitely, it's one of my favorites, so I definitely wanted to make it for this week. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. And like I said earlier, I have a whole playlist of mason jar salads. So if you love salads as much as I do, check out the playlist. Tons of different salads for you to get some inspiration to do a make-ahead salad for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope that you have a really, really great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.